Hello students, I Surbhit Karwar and today we are going to take another topic. The topic is conic section. Now in this we will study about some curves like circle, ellipse, parabolas, hyperbolas, etc. These curves simultaneously are known as conic section. So here the section of cone, first of all these are the section of cone, because the name implies that when we section the cone, then we can make these curves. Suppose we have a line like this. Suppose this line is line L and another line intersecting like this, another line intersecting the line L. Suppose this line is line M, and line M makes an angle alpha with line L. So let L be a fixed line and line M intersects it at point V. This point is suppose point V, and line M intersects line L at point V and at an angle alpha. If we rotate the line M around the line L, in which alpha is constant, the surface generated is double napped right circular hollow cone. Suppose we can make another figure for this. Suppose this line M rotate about the line L, so we can see that the figure is like this, and there is double napped right circular hollow cone like this. This line L, here this point is point V, so here we can say V is vertex of cone. L we can say axis of cone, and the line M generator of cone. So here vertex V separates the cone in two parts. So we can say it is this part, which is upper nap, because there are double naps, so here upper nap, and this part is lower nap. Now there are so many conditions to make different curves, circle, parabola, hyperbola. So first of all we can see how can we generate the different curves by the different situation of plane cutting to these naps. Suppose if a plane intersects the cone, then the section so obtained is called conic section. Shape of the section. Now suppose a plane, if we talk about that, suppose a plane like this, intersect the upper nap and make an angle beta with the x-axis. Suppose this angle is angle beta. So different curves depends on the position of this plane cutting to these naps. So first of all we are going to study that how can we make the curves depending on the position of these planes. So suppose when the plane cuts the nape, the condition is other than the vertex. So if the plane cuts these napes other than the vertex. Now the first condition is that when beta is equal to 90 degree, beta is the angle of this plane with the x-axis of the cone. So here if beta is 90 degree, then the situation of the plane, we can make another figure for this. So suppose the plane cut these nape at 90 degree with the x-axis. So here we can say this beta is 90 degree. So in this condition, the section so formed, this section so formed is a circle. So we can say the section is a circle. Now the situation second, when alpha is less than beta, but alpha is less than beta and beta is less than 90 degree, which means beta is between alpha and 90. In this situation, we can make another figure for this situation, which is like this. If the plane make an angle less than 90 degree but greater than alpha, this angle. So in this situation, the section is ellipse. The section so formed is ellipse because the section is like this. So the section is an ellipse. Now the third situation, when alpha is equal to beta, when alpha is exactly equal to beta, another figure for this we can make. Here the plane makes angle beta which is exactly equal to angle alpha, which means we can say the axis of plane or the surface of plane is exactly parallel to the line M, which is a generator. So here alpha is equal to beta. Now in this situation, the section so formed, is a parabola. So here the section is parabola. Now the fourth condition, when beta is greater than or equal to 0 but less than alpha. So here is the diagram of this. So in this situation, beta is greater than 0 but less than alpha. The plane cuts both the napes. In this situation, the plane cuts both the napes like this. So here the situation so formed is hyperbola because of one cut is here like this and one cut will be here like this. So the situation is so formed as hyperbola. So the section is a hyperbola. So these are four conditions when plane cuts the nape other than the vertex. Now one more situation. In this, the plane cuts these sections, or we can say double nape hollow right circular cone at the vertex. So here when the plane cuts at the vertex of the cone. So in this first situation is when alpha is less than beta and beta is less than and equal to 90, which means beta is between alpha and 90, and in this situation we can make the diagram like this. It is the right circular hollow double napped cone. So the plane is at the vertex of the cone, or one more situation which we can make like this. So in this condition, beta is between alpha and 90 degree. So the section is a point. The section will be a point because of this point. Similarly, the second situation in this case is when beta is equal to alpha. In this situation, beta is exactly equal to alpha, which means the plane is exactly overlap the line L. So here we can say, now the plane contains the line M, so the section is a straight line. So here we can say the section is a straight line because of the plane is contain the line M, which is generator. So here it is a straight line. Now in third case, the last case, when beta is between 0 to alpha, in this situation we can make another diagram. So in this situation, when beta is less than alpha but greater than beta, the section is a pair of intersecting straight lines. It is a degenerate case of hyperbola because of the plane is like this, and here we can say it is a degenerate case of hyperbola. Now these are the sections which we can make from the cone